So welcome to Webkingston. So now, I would like to say that shout out for all my clients in US and also in London in Australia. So the big things that I explain right now is because um there's a new uh ability and skills that I discover. So this is about the website development. So this is about the website development. So this is more on landing page, and also we'll talk about for the front end. So in this case, I discovered for meta and also sign sign number and also media. This is all about code. So you can request or any platform for landing page. So you can message in Webkingston. This is our Webkingston info at webkingston.com or .online or webkingston@gmail.com. So you can message your request. So what is this kind of topic that I telling in my podcast? So this is all about I error uh rumble codes and also much thinking. So I know all programmers out there that are struggling for planning for the client website. Also some of the companies struggling for his website. I know some client he's already have a website, but there's some issue because uh much expensive, no maintenance, and also much error and no SEO marketing. So in my opinion right now, uh the good news is a lot of things that you're thinking about website or landing website is a template, right? Yes, everyone think about what is them. What is the best template? So uh, let me tell you something that you can create your own template. You can create a best template. You can purchase and start innovation. First of all, um, but some of the code was uh, struggling for responsive things for Android, iPhone, on computer. So in my solution, I already solved for that. So I already keep in touching that code. So I know what is the solution for that. Much easier for index and also for CSS and on style. So I know this podcast um is a limited edition. Of course, it's a investment time to listen or to understand and what I say because if you read some books for Java, HTML, PHP, Turbo C, or uh, um, HTML5, so there's a lot of time that you think. So I have a website dim on Udemy, so you can bill for that courses. So just visit udemy.com. So just browse Webkingston and you can see my platform. Yeah, that's much lower price. There's a lower price, of course. So uh, I prefer Udemy. That's for community with sharing words, sharing knowledge. So that's better. So the reason I publish in this course is because I know a lot of people uh, want to know about website. Also, how easy to create. So just search on Udemy website dim, and then as you can see short by, and then click newest. So if you see a newest, you can see my creation out there is easy as much, so most relevant. Okay, highest. Uh-huh. Wait a second. So back again to landing page. So I already discovered for that code is so amazing. I love it. The way I think about that code is last year ago, but it's a big mistake and error that um I cannot do it. It's because I don't know how, but when I thinking much think about that problem, I already solved that problem. So I will check my courses. Publish. Why did I publish? So in my courses in Udemy, I already review it. I know it's not expensive, but you can learn it. Of course, at school, you can learn a lot of things about in school, but it always depends on your knowledge. Here we go. So website dim. So yeah, you can type website dim by actual Coursera. Maybe I will change my title much better. I will change my title and Webkingston because I like it. Much I like it. So I already publish. Don't worry about the rating. The rating is all about the how is the client's response on my courses, but I already prefer for um simple things, not the higher things. Uh, Publishing courses in Udemy is a big responsibility to carrying a lot of things, creating a video, creating uh a function. That's a lot of things. Okay, I'm sorry, just I'm just doing something marketing, so I'm just fixing for some of my error. I will go, it's already fixed. Uh-huh. Okay, back again. So, eh, website them sounds interesting. Okay, uh-huh. I'm sorry. I'm still recording. Okay, okay. Um, just as I said, um, you can create from the scratch. You can buy a template. You can ask how to make it easier, right? Of course, a lot of problems for the technology, but if you have a team not capable with that technology, of course, I'm here to help in your business. I'm here to guide in your team for much easier. And of course, the yes, we're talking about the lower price. Come on. Okay. Uh-huh. Lower price. So we're talking about the lower price. So I know, I know. The creation of everything. I want to change this name. I want to change website theme. Maybe I will put some what we call a Webkingston. A Webkingston for my title name. I would like to say that, of course. Publishing our courses is so hard. It's so hard. There's a lot of things. My courses in Udemy, um, is what we call is advanced. I will tell you a lot of things for server, for website, for social media, everything, everything. Why everything? Because I know how it acts. I know, I know everything that all students struggling, all employees struggling, keeping on dreams to touch for success is not easy. A lot of things is so hard. So that's why I built in this business to make it good, of course. If not good, there is no business. Okay, everything's clear for you, Demir. Right now, I already take some review because this is belongs to a landing page, also some connecting for my discussion. Of course, people out there watching my podcast, free to go, just comment. Yeah. I prefer to spend uh the good reason words. If there is no nonsense words, well, good for you. But the important is we talk about business, we talk about the reality. So reality for the website industry, for SEO, uh marketing, yeah, campaign, banning, for for bad code, and also creating a banner for a campaign. There's a lot of things handling for a lot of monitoring website, but not monitoring for receiving or clients, something like that. Not it's not about that because that's not confidential. Okay, that's it. I know this is a short information, but you can learn it, of course. You can search for any words on Google. But of course, Chat GPT or that AI for all uh word result for software generating for, but do not depend for that. You need to think, of course, you need to think um for your critical thinking. The most important is the best is critical thinking than more than AI. So here we go. Thank you for listening for my podcast. See you tomorrow.